Hello everyone, welcome to this new tutorial, and today we will be drawing uh, this new drawing. Where'd it go? Oh, not this one. Today we're going to be drawing this drawing. Okay, so it's basically a simple sketching tutorial where I'll be teaching how to draw this drawing. Okay, so let's get to it. So we're going to start off with our part. Okay, because since it's a part, okay. Now I'm gonna click on the front plane, okay, normal 2, then I'm gonna hit sketch, and I'm gonna draw a circle right from the origin. Okay, click on the origin point, draw a circle. Make sure this is set to mmgs, okay. Okay, if it's IPS, please change it. And let me see, how many circles do I need? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And the biggest circle is 100 diameter. Okay. 100, got it. Okay. Let me set the dimension up for this one. This one is 116. Okay, that should be 600. Okay, now let's draw another circle. And another circle. Okay. The next one gonna be, oh, did I accidentally cut it out? Oh my god. Okay, so this circle gonna be, the inside circle is gonna be 70-degree diameter. Okay, got it. 70-degree, and this circle is gonna be a construction circle. Okay, so click on the circle. Okay, since my circle is highlighted and selected, I'm gonna click on the construction. Okay, perfect. And my second circle gonna be 25 radius. Okay, this means 50 diameter. Okay, and let me change the letters to radius. Okay, and my inside circle gonna be 30 diameter. Okay, so I got everything. Okay, let me make the line more thicker for this one. You know what? No, I need the dotted line. Perfect. Solid line is better now. Now it's time to draw these two circles, okay? So, and these gonna be 10 diameter. Okay, set the diameter 10. Okay. Select this circle, and and set them equal. Perfect. Okay. Now this is gonna be radius of 1250. Okay. Now we have to make another circle. Use the same center point. Okay. And this is gonna be diameter. Change it from diameter to radius, and it's gonna be 12.5. Okay. And I'm gonna select this circle. Then I'm gonna select this circle. Uh-oh. Set them equal. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select the line. Okay. So I'm gonna do click on this circle. Okay. And I'm gonna click on this circle. So automatically it's gonna be tangent. Okay. And I'm gonna repeat the process again. I'm gonna click on this circle and this circle, and I'm gonna make the line tangent. So I'm gonna repeat the same process again by clicking on the line, this circle to this circle, and click on the back of the line again, and click again on the circle, and again on this circle. Okay. So as you can see, the lines are tangent now. All I'm gonna do is use the trim feature to trim it out my extra lines that I don't need. Okay. And make sure you guys zoom in and clear these lines off. Okay. Okay. The reason why this is coming is saying the radius, not there's no line though, by the way. Okay. So I see my drawing is coming pretty good. Now exit out of the trim feature. Okay. Okay, this is the radius. Okay. Now I need to draw these four circles. Okay. And the best way to draw those are by using the pattern. Okay, the circular sketch pattern. So I'm going to draw a circle. Okay. That's how I got my four circles. Looks pretty easy. Now I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to set the diameter for the circle. I actually forgot what was the diameter. Diameter was 12. That's good. Okay. And I'm going to set all these equal to this. Okay, so now all of these are 12, 12, 12. This is perfect. Got it. And we are basically done with the drawing. Okay. It looked pretty neat. Okay. Hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.